Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. I tell you what, the weather's starting to break around here, and I can't wait to get outside, but it's been kind of nasty here lately. Although we got some sunshine outside, it's still pretty windy. I'm scared to fire up the grill just for safety reasons. So inside again tonight, guys, and I'm gonna do some chicken fajitas, and I'm just bringing you what I'd probably do when I'm not filming, to be quite honest. This is just some fajita seasoning. It's going to be a 1 skillet meal chicken fajitas. This luff, I don't know if I've seen this, or I don't know if I've shown this to you before or not. I don't know. This is La Frita. I probably said that wrong. It's a fajita seasoning mix. It goes in a skillet with your vegetables and everything, and it tastes delicious. And I just thought I'd share this cook with you guys. It's a little I do mine a little different from what the direction says, but I'll show you that. So let me show you what we're doing. All right, for the sake of time, Mama was kind enough to cut up some an onion. It's just a white onion, and normally you'd use a green bell pepper. I prefer a poblano because I just think it tastes better than a green bell pepper. So Mama was nice enough to slice that up for me. We're gonna get that in the skillet real soon and get her sauteed up. I gotta trim up our chicken though. Hey guys, I've got about a pound of, this is boneless, skinless chicken breast that I'm just gonna cut into strips, and I'm not going to be real fancy about it, to be quite honest. It will cook down. With this out on the grill, I'd leave them together and cut them at the end, but we're not, so here we go. I'm going to leave that fat on there. There ain't much there. And that's all we're doing to this, guys. I'll go a little bit thicker than that. It's just Mama and us, so I'll tell you what, this is going to be plenty. In fact, I'm going to cut that in half. I'll try to cut these against the grain. Alright guys, let's get this skillet fired up and let's make some fajitas. Okay, my skillet's been heating up a little bit. I'm going to come in here and just put just a little bit of olive oil. Not a whole lot. I'm going to come in and dump our onions. And our poblanos. I could have probably cut some of them in half, but I'm not going to worry about it. That's all good. You don't have to at this point because it's going to have plenty of seasoning, but I'm going to hit just a little bit of salt. And black pepper. We're gonna let these saute a bit, get them nice and soft. Alright guys, these onions have softened up, the poblanos have softened up quite a bit. I'm going to get these guys out of here and move on to our next step. Not changing anything in the skillet, just adding a little bit more oil. Move that around a little bit. We're going to come in here and add our chicken. We're going to cook it up in the same skillet, absorb some of those flavors. sure and give these all a good flip. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. Well, get over there. This is really hard to do on such thin chicken. I'll tell you what, we're there, so. Chicken is ready to go. 165. I'm actually at 170 on some of this. Let's move on. Guys, I've got a 1/4 cup of water here. And I got this packet of seasoning. You use whatever brand you want. I just happen to like this one. I've used it before. You got some homemade stuff. That's okay too. And we're just going to let this simmer. Get this all mixed real well. About 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to bring the temp down. We're going to let this fall in love for a few minutes. I'm going to add just a little bit more water right there. And finally, let's get these veggies right back in there. Get them all incorporated. Let them get heated back up. And we can get to eating us some fajitas. Because I hope you can see that. I got poor lighting in this kitchen, but we're ready to go. I'm gonna get Mama fed. We'll come back and we'll make us a little chicken fajita and give it a taste test, guys. I'm probably gonna make more than one, but I'll show you how I do one of these. Never mind my fine china. That's how we do it during the week. With our quick little one-pot meal chicken fajitas. I always pile them up too big. That's okay. We don't do a whole lot to this one. Just a little sour cream. And my favorite hot sauce, Cholula. Just a little bit. And that's it. So look at that. Let's get a bite of that. Yes, give us a bite. This is a good weeknight. I'd have much rather done something outside, but this is a good meal. Indoors, when you can't get out there or don't feel safe getting out there, it is extra delicious. The seasoning is good. Remember, use whatever seasoning you want. The ideal is have a quick indoors one skillet meal ready to go in a short period of time. Had I not been filming, I could have probably done this in about 30 minutes. Maybe 45 tops. So very good, very delicious. The poblanos over the bell peppers any day of the week. It's just better flavor in my opinion. Use whatever peppers you want. You can just make this up as you go, and it's just fine. One more bite just for you guys. Well, guys, thank you as always. Cheers to you. Wash this down. Guys, thank you as always. Love doing these videos for you. As the weather, you know, it's springtime in 2025 right now. We've had some crazy weather. Sun's shining, but like I said early, got a lot of wind right now, so, and I'm just scared to fire up any charcoal or anything just for safety measures. So inside tonight, and guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button, it helps us out a lot. And hit that bell notification to let you know every time we post a new video. So guys, thanks as always, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you folks. Bye-bye.